Hello, fourth standard students. Chapter 3 addition, exercise 3.1 we are doing. First main we have done. Now we are doing second main. In second main, a question. See, second main, what is the question asked? Write the addends. This is called addends. Write the addends and the sum obtained. So this is the question, a question. What is the number here? 4,723 plus 3,68,912. These are the two numbers, and in between there is plus sign. It means you have to add these two numbers. And also what you have to do? You have to write the addends and the sum. Addends means what? The given question, the two numbers which they have given, 4,723 and 3,68,912. These two numbers are called addends. These two numbers are called what? See here, addends. So you have to add plus. First write this number 4,723. 4,723 plus sign. Plus is there. Next 3,68,912. 3,68,912. See, the digits must be one below the other. The digits must be one below the other according to the place value. See here. Afterwards you have to add 3 plus 2, 5. 2 plus 1, 3. 7 plus 9, 16. 16 means 6 right here. 1 carry. Next to 1 plus 0, 1. 1 plus 8. See, another digit is there. 1 plus 0, 1. That 1 plus 8, 9. Next, 0 plus 6, 6. 4 plus 3, 7. So, what is the answer? 7,69,635. How to read? 7,69,635. Put comma. 1, 2, 3. After 3 digits, 1 comma. Next, after 2 digits, another comma. This will become 7,69,635. This answer is called sum. So the two numbers which you are adding, they are called addends, and the answer that you get after adding, that is called sum. Understood? Same way, B question. What is the B question here? 2,89,916 plus 6,30,249. Answer.
Yes.
The numbers you write 2,89,960 plus 6,30,249. One below the other you have to write like digits. Understood? These digits one below the other you should write. Afterwards you have to add 6 plus 9, 15. 15 means 5 write down and 1 carry. See here, I put round here. 1 I put and circle now. This is carry 1. Afterwards, next 1 plus 1. See here, this 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus another number 4 is there. 2 plus 4, 6. Next, hundreds place. 9 plus 2, 11. 1 you write down, another 1 carry. Afterwards, this side number you have to add. 1 plus 9, 10. 10 plus 0. 10 plus 0, 10 only. So 10 means 0 write down and 1 carry. Next 1 plus 8, 9. 9 plus 3, 12. 2 write down and 1 that carry you put. Afterwards lakh place 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 6, 9. So how much is the answer? 9,20,165. This answer is called sum, and the two numbers that you are adding is called addends. These two are addends, and the answer is called sum. After adding two numbers, the answer that you get is called sum. Similarly, C question 75,648 plus 28,503. These two numbers are addends, and when you add 8 plus 3, 11, 1 carry. 1 plus 4, 5. 6 plus 5, 11. 11 means 1 down and 1 carry. 1 plus 5, 6. 6 plus 8, 14. 14 means 4 write down and 1 carry. Next, last 1 plus 7, 8. 8 plus 2, 10. Put commas here. First 3 digits, 1, 2, 3, 1 comma. Afterwards 1, 2. 2 digits leave, 1 comma. It means it is 1,04,151. This is called sum. And the two numbers that you add is called addends. Similarly, last question, D question, 63,254 plus 29,046. These two numbers are called addends. Now when you add, the answer that you get is called sum. See, 4 plus 6, 10, 0, 1 carry. 1 plus 5, 6, 6 plus 4, 10, again 0, 1 carry. Now 1 plus 2, 3, 3 plus 0, 3, here. Afterwards come this side, 3 plus 9, 12, 12 means 2 write down and 1 carry. Last, these digits, 1 plus 6, 7, 7 plus 2, 9. Put comma here. How to put comma? First leave 3 digits from extreme right side. 1, 2, 3. 3 digits leave and put comma. This is how much? 92,300. This is called sum. Understood? This is how you have to do. In first main question, A, B, C questions we have done. Remaining 3 you have to take for homework. And in this second main question, A, B, C, D we have done. E and F you can take for homework. And these problems you write in your maths CW. Remaining problems will continue in the next class. Okay? Thank you.